This is so nice. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Today, another dope unboxing and install for you, brought to you by my official sponsor, Atomic Car Concepts. You guys seen, I put out videos before with my RGB license plate frame that was custom made by them, and they made me something super special for a show that I'm going to. And obviously, guys, you know the theme of my car is the Hulk. And look how beautiful this is. Hulk smash in aggressive font. And I opted not to get the prongs behind it, so they put adhesive backing instead. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I might just leave it sealed like this. This was neatly packaged. You have your, this is empty. This is normally in here, but they wrapped everything in one for me. There's a QR code right here, and it's the same code right here to download the Dual Code Strip app, which I already have because I already have both front and back license plates. And as I said, the one thing I can't stand about this is the damn white cord. I wish this was black. But anyway, it's very simple. It's very simple, plug and play. And the dimensions of this, it's about 6 3/4 inches. The height of it, that's in length. The height is about 2 inches from like the lowest point to the highest point. So 6 3/4 inches in length, 2 inches in height. Not too shabby. And this is where this bad boy is going. Oh yeah. This bad boy is going smack dab in the middle right here. Oh yeah, that's so sweet. Also, I also told you guys, anytime you're messing around with lights, make sure the product works first. And there you go. It's jumping. 7-color jump. It's pretty nice. Alright guys, the cool thing about this, once it's connected to power, because I downloaded the app already, because I have 2 other devices, it senses it right away. So now I have 3 of them, BLE, DOM, and then whatever the serial numbers are underneath. And you see the bulb lit up on the top one, and that is for this bad boy right here. So I also have others here. I could turn this on. I could turn on my front license plate, turn it off. So it's pretty simple. What we're gonna need for this install is extra wire, some heat shrink. Now, you can't, because this is gonna be inside of the car, you do not need to heat shrink this. I actually heat shrunk the one, obviously, on the front license plate, because to keep it nice and sealed, to prevent it from getting wet, preserve it from the elements. But this is gonna be inside the car. So I might just put the heat shrink on this one to, or you could use some electrical tape as long as the connections don't come apart, because they're actually very easy to come apart. This one here, I'm not gonna put any heat shrink on because this is gonna be close to where I am connecting it for power. And that is gonna be over right here. Don't know if you could see it, but I have power right here and I have ground over there. It's a little bit dark, but that's where I have my power and ground splitters. So it's pretty easy setup. Alright guys, this is a quick screen recording of what you need to do in case anybody on my channel, first time here, have not seen this before. Okay, so let's get rid of some of this light real quick. Let's go on here. Okay, turn that bad boy off so now we can see what we're doing. So now what we're gonna do is open up, or once you scan that QR code on either the controller or that plastic Ziploc bag, it's gonna make you download that dual code strip app. Once you open the app, hit the upper left hand corner, and now you see right here it's sensing 3 different controllers. So now I know my controllers from before. The last 2 numbers are 57 and 58. So this one here, the last 2 numbers are 28. So let's turn that bad boy on real quick. Yeah, there we go. So now you guys can see that it works and it looks beautiful. Let me just turn down the brightness slightly. Okay, nice. So it doesn't affect the exposure too much. Okay, now guys, over here, obviously you could turn them on and off with the bulb. There's a chain link right here on the other side of the word bleedum. That chain link, always look for that. If it's broken, it's gonna lose connection to the logo. So just click on it, it'll circle, and once you're getting power to the logo, the chain link should be repaired. So now, guys, when you're here, so right here on the bottom, you have style. And with style, you can increase your speed, lower your brightness, as you saw me doing before. Okay, and we can start moving around colors right here. So we can do 7-color strobe flash, green and red and blue crossfade. So you see what I'm saying? So guys, go to town, mess around with it. I love the 7-color crossfade. That's my thing. You can play music on this. Obviously allow. You can play music on this and it'll go to the beat of the music. You can use your mic. Notice how I'm speaking and it's flickering just as fast as my voice is going. And that's really it. Go to town. Make sure your connections are good, as you guys saw from the time lapse where I connected my stuff and I ran my wires neat. I just had to take out some screws for where my air tank and stuff was to make sure I run the wire properly. But that's it. A super solid product from these guys. And guys, the bottom, obviously there's some static colors over here like yellow, white, cyan, red, and stuff like that. And you have a color wheel. So you can literally go to town on whatever color you want, if you even want it stagnant. But I like the 7-color crossfade right here with style. Let's increase that speed. And you can see how nice and fast it's transitioning through whatever. But this looks so dope. And now it's literally brings out the persona of my whole theme, especially in the back here when it comes to Hulk. This is freaking fantastic. Let me just show you real quick. So guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Look how fantastic this looks. And guys, I can power this on and off of my phone, as you guys know. Once again, Atomic Car Concepts, guys, thank you so much for sponsoring me. Obviously, you make a fantastic product. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I will talk to you soon. Take it easy.